everyone. Good morning. So let us try to understand Kali Linux today. So Kali Linux, one of the best platform. It's a Linux OS. It's a Linux-based OS. It's mostly used in penetration testing. So I guarantee you, if you want to become a professional cybersecurity analyst and if you want to become an ethical hacker, we have bunch of cybersecurity tools under this Kali Linux OS. Okay. So definitely you can search under kali.org where they have recently released its new update with some extra functionalities. So this OS can easily booted as a USB stick. So the thing is, there can be a question, why do hackers use Kali Linux? So why do actually hackers use Kali Linux? Because it's one of the best distros for developers. So they can just, use this. There'll be a bunch of intelligence tools. It does not leave any evidence of footprints. So what? They always choose the Kali Linux. It's one of the best OS, which helps us in protecting their privacy. Also, it secures the system by hiding the IP address and all other important stuff can be seen over here. So yes, definitely Kali Linux, even professionals can use this. Okay. So it's mainly used for professional tasks like, white hat hacking and penetration testing. So if you want to engage in black hat hack, definitely it's illegal. But in India, if you are a professional penetration tester, ethical hacker, cybersecurity analyst, yes, we can maintain this OS as a, legal one. So let us try to have a glance of ethical hacking tools here under Kali Linux. So yes, Kali Linux is specially designed OS for network analysts, penetration testers, and simple words I would tell you, you know, it is for those who work under the umbrella of cybersecurity and analysis section. Okay, so you just can have a glance in the slide. We have so many bunch of tools in under information gathering, vulnerability analysis. There will be 600 plus of tools under here. And these are the just a glance of ethical hacking tools. So let us try to go through which find Kali Linux tools here. Okay. So firstly, we have Nmap. So here I just, as you can see, Nmap, it's a network mapper. So it's one of the best network scanning tool. Okay. It's an open source network scanner. Okay. It's an open source network scanner. So, guys, it can be used to recon and scan networks. Usually, we use this Nmap to discover hosts, ports, services along with their versions over a network. So, the thing is, it can send packets to the host and then finally, it can analyze the responses in order to produce the desired result. Even it could be used for host discovery, OS detection, and you also just can check whether a port is open, close, or filtered, unfiltered, how many firewalls they have in the network infrastructure. Everything we can cross verify using this Nmap tool. So it is one of the most popular reconnaissance tool we have here. Okay. So we have also Burp Suite. It's also one of the best web vulnerability scanner. So yes, it's one of the most popular web application security testing software. So guys, we can use it as proxy. So usually in order to perform security assessments, if we want to perform some security audits, we can use this. So it can be used as proxy. Usually hackers, if they want to hijack your session, if they want to capture our HTTP requests, if they want to bypass OTPs, they use this hijacking tool. It's one of the best web vulnerability scanner tool as well as session hijacking tool. There will be two perspectives. We should think both in a hacker's perspective as well as ethical hacker perspective here, right? So yes. So definitely one of the best tools under vulnerability section. So we also have Wireshark here. So it's a network security tool. We use it as, we can use it to analyze and we can work, with data which has been sent to our network. Usually we can even call it as packet analyzing tool. Okay. So it can be used to analyze packets which has been transmitted over a network. Okay, so packets, they may have information about source IP, destination IP, protocol used, and the data, and some headers, right? So packets generally have an extension of .pcap. Okay, so which could be read using this Wireshark tool. So it's a sniffing tool. Here you can understand how actually sniffing can be conducted. So hacker, how actually he can analyze the real-time traffic using this tool, we can easily understand using this Wireshark tool. We also have one of the best Metasploit framework here. It's an open source tool which has been designed by Rapid7 Technologies. Okay, so guys, one of the world's most used penetration testing framework we have here is Metasploit. It covers, it comes packed with a lot of exploits. So usually hackers, they use this to exploit the vulnerabilities over a network or OS. But we as a penetration tester, we use this framework as a development platform. Okay, it's gonna allow us to so many security tools we can create here, and we can deal with exploits also. This framework makes hacking simple for both attackers as well as defenders here. So we also have OpenVAS, Nessus, one of the best vulnerability scanning tools. We also have HPing 3 here in order to conduct DOS attack. If he wants to flood our flood our server, if he wants to freeze, crash our server by flooding malicious traffic, okay, so he can use this HPing 3, one of the best DOS attack tool. So it's just a glance of ethical hacking tools, guys. Okay, under ethical hacking, we'll be dealing with 85 plus to 100 plus intelligence tools. So coding is not required. Okay, if you know coding, definitely it helps to become an ethical hacker. So especially here we focus on computing skills. 10 to 20% of computing skills is needed, and skills are needed, and also networking skills. When it comes to our networking skills, we need 30 to 40% of your networking skills. Okay, so this is what the glance of ethical hacking tools here. Thank you so much.